What's going on, everybody? It's Mel here, Darkside of the Grill. This is the one you've been waiting for. Everyone's always hammering on me. Mel, how you making them smash burgers on the Big Green Egg? Today's a magical day, people. It's Smashburger City with your Uncle Mel. This is gonna be deadly. We got some beautiful craft beef, Alberta beef, free range, grass fed, the whole 9 yards. Some absolutely beautiful heritage thick cut bacon. We got the cube pie mayo, salt, pepper, garlic. That's my little secret weapon for these smash burgers, the purple onion. You know what time it is. Let me take you over to the Big Green Egg that's already fired up. We got cast iron in there. Oh yeah. We're going to start, ladies and gentlemen, with our bacon. Now, I would appreciate if you could take this time right now to click subscribe, hit the bell, do all of those things. You want to be on this channel every single day. We got stuff happening at least weekly, if not daily. You're not going to want to miss it. Not at all. Take a look at this bacon. Thick cut, naturally smoked. Absolutely beautiful. Who doesn't like bacon? Just saying. There we go. Beautiful. So we're going to let this buck. We're going to cook this down, flip it over. Everything's going to be fantastic in there. And then guess what goes in there after? Bacon comes out. Onions go in. In the bacon grease, that's going to be fantastic. Those onions are going to saute up a bit, crisp up a bit. And then guess what? Well, Smashburger City. Get them done. And then I'm going to show you how I build that monster. And guess what? For you lucky people, because you subscribed and hit the bell, we're going to do takedown time. You're going to get to see Mel pull the anaconda out and take down one of these monsters. It's going to be deadly. This is how we break the internet. Thank you for following along. See you in a minute. All right, the bacon is going. We're sitting fine. We're going to get ready for our patties. First thing we're going to do, make some balls. All right, easy peasy. Divvy them up, roughly the same size, right? And envision them flattening out. You want to make sure everything's uniform, right? And then I'm going to salt, pepper, garlic. Give me a second, I'll explain you that. Elvis, you monkey. You bad monkey. My dog always wants to be part of the show. Oh, look, birds are coming too. There we go. Perfect. So, here we go. Salt, pepper, garlic. This is a this is a big one for me. This is my secret weapon. Salt, pepper, garlic all the time. All the time. And we're just going to hit it just like that. And then as we hit them on the cast iron, we'll re-squeeze them. Right? We'll re-squeeze them. There we go. Now we are ready to rock and roll. We're waiting on the bacon. Once the bacon comes off, and then we'll hit you back, putting these on, getting ready to go. It's gonna be deadly. Okay, bacon done. Deadly. Very happy with that. Now we're gonna take half of our onions. Take over half of our onions. Saute them up real quick. And we'll scoop them up, put them in a tin foil as well. And then it's Smashburger City. Wow. All right, the onions are off. It's time for the smash burger. So here we go. You take it, right? Massage that salt, pepper, garlic in there a bit. Right, start a nice little patty. And into the bacon grease you go. There you go. This is how we do it. That salt, pepper, garlic, man, that's my secret weapon. It really adds a ton to it. It's just like my brisket. Simple, classic. Tastes fantastic. There's your ball. Right, half the patty. Boom. Just like that. There it is. All right. Squish, squish, squish. Tight. Nice and tight. All right. Woo. There you go. Now we're going to start. Let's get this beast in there. There we go. Right in the middle, and we'll just move him around. Catch you in maybe 2-3 minutes. Oh yeah, there we go. Absolutely beautiful. And that salt and pepper, look at it just sticking to it. Absolutely perfect. And this guy, you just keep rotating him around. You don't want to let him get too fat, too puffed up, right? So as soon as they start to, and you park them, you let them sit for a bit, and then you move them over to the next one until they're done where you need them. Then we're going to add the cheese, put them over here for a minute, and then off to Smashburger City, baby. Okay, cheese is on and done. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Burgers are nice and set. Now I'm going to take you over and show you how I build a great big dirty burger, Mel style. Alright. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Got these cuties here for the kids. Right on. Let's get set up. Burger, check. Cube pie mayo. If you're not into cube pie, you're not doing it right. Get this stuff. Japanese mayo is deadly. Absolutely love it. Pay attention. Burger, check. Burger, check. Burger, check. Now they're going to start sliding on you because of that beautiful cheddar cheese. Get that onion on there. You got some of that sauteed onion? Where's that sauteed onion at, Mel? There we go. Alright. Bacon. Simmer down bacon. I like my bacon cooked. Don't fault me on it. There we go. There we go. Right. Pinch it. Top it. Boom. And then hold it together. Right there. Ladies and gents, that's Mel's Monster Burger. Look at that. That's Smashburger City if I've ever seen it. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Oh, and I guess you want to see it, don't you? You know how hot it is. It's gonna burn my face. Tell you what, be back in 2 seconds. Okay people, it's go time. You've seen Mel's Smashburger City. Now guess what? You get to see it live and online right here. Make sure you hit subscribe. Do all of that beautiful stuff. That's what time it is, people. Big dirty burger time. Oh, I love it. We're done.